In this video, I will be showing you how to use the Copilot AI newsfeed in an Edge new tab. Let's get started. First, I go down to the Windows taskbar and click inside the search bar. From the menu that pops up, I click on Microsoft Edge to launch the browser. Once the browser opens up, I move my cursor to the top right corner of the window and click on the 3 horizontal dots to open the main menu. From the drop-down options, I move down and click on Settings. Now that I am on the Settings page, I navigate to the left side menu and click on the section labeled Start, Home, and New Tab page. On this settings screen, I scroll down until I see the section dedicated to the New Tab page. I locate the setting called Copilot New Tab page, and I click the toggle switch on the right side to turn it on. Next, I go up to the top tab bar and click on the plus sign to open a new tab. You can see that the New Tab page now features a centered Copilot prompt box with personalized suggestion cards underneath it. I click back onto the Settings tab to return to my previous screen. Then, I move my mouse to the upper right corner of the browser and click on the Copilot icon to open the chat sidebar. I click inside the chat input field at the bottom of the sidebar and type out a detailed question asking how the Copilot AI newsfeed works, how it chooses content, how to customize interests, and what the main benefits are. After typing the full prompt, I click the black send arrow. As Copilot processes the request and generates an answer, I begin to read through the response. I slowly scroll down the sidebar to review the information. The text explains that this feature replaces the traditional MSN feed with a more personalized, AI-driven experience tailored to individual browsing habits and interests. As I continue scrolling, the response outlines how Copilot selects news using advanced personalization and context awareness. It also explains how to customize the feed through topic selection and active interactions. Further down, it lists the primary benefits, such as a cleaner workspace with reduced clutter, improved efficiency, and better task integration, allowing me to stay updated without scrolling endlessly. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.